didn't like the decision by Kishane Thompson and his handlers to end his Diamond League season. This decision comes, of course, after Kishane beat an impressive field, including his American rival, Noah Lyles, at the weekend. The calculation, we assume, must be that with less than a month to go before the World Championships, with his confidence sky high, grabbing and holding the psychological advantage after leaving Lyles, Bednarik, Simbini and company behind, still owning the world lead of 9.75, there is no more need to prove or to risk anything until the World Championships. I have to agree with Team Kishane with this one. Now, as to whether or not Kishane is really feeling some kind of discomfort with his shin, as reported, we hope that, as we suspect it is, it's just a Shin-thing. Just a minor Shin-thing. Yes, a very small Shin-thing that will not stop him from winning.